It is my deepest gratitude to express my appreciation to Venerable Master Xing Yun for giving me an opportunity to be one of his scholars, and of course to our supportive Venerable Yung Guang and Dr. Michael Tan and our guiding Venerable Shi Rong. It is an immense pleasure. Thank you with your full support for sending us to attend Buddhist Youth Camp and Monastic Retreat. Attending Youth Buddhist Camp was an eye-opening. I learned the different Buddhist etiquette and engaging with diverse people. It was a journey of self-discovery and learning to live with kindness and compassion towards everyone and everything around me. As I join monastic retreat, I want to experience and challenge myself how to become monastic. At first, I thought practicing monastic life was hard, but I was wrong. I realized that if yourself are willing to propagate the Dharma, then it's not difficult. During the monastic retreat, I cannot imagine that I have made a lot of adjustment, from waking up early by doing chanting, meditation, prostration, and how to be mindful of every action. And I realized that my life is very different now compared to my usual action in outside world. And it is significant for my cultivation.
Reflecting on our experiences during the Buddhist summer camp, volunteer teaching and Buddhist monastic retreat has been incredibly transformative. Each opportunity deepened my understanding of Buddhist principles and allowed me to grow spiritually and personally. I am profoundly grateful to Venerable Master Xing Yun for his wisdom, guidance, which have inspired me throughout my journey. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to Venerable Yung Gong of the Mabuhay Temple for her teachings and support during my volunteer work. Lastly, my appreciation goes to Guang Ming College for providing a nurturing environment for learning and practice. These experiences have enriched our life in ways we cannot fully express, and we look forward to continuing our journey rooted in the Dharma with deep gratitude and dedication.
The first week was filled with new experience at the Summer Buddhist Youth Camp. I met wonderful people from diverse backgrounds. The monastic retreat taught me invaluable lessons about time, respect, mindfulness, and compassion. I am deeply grateful for this experience. Thank you.
Guang Ming大师，我们是 Carefree。